Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change heights, how to change row heights in Excel. Okay, so you can adjust row heights as per your requirement. You can do this as if you want all rows heights same, so you can do this. So there is a shortcut key and you can do manually also. So before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So guys, let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see I have Excel data, and this is my demo data. So here there is a I'm going to show you how to manage measure rows height measurement in Excel as manually. So here, if you want to increase or decrease this rows data, just click on down line and hold it by left button of mouse and just down. Or you can see there is a heights. You can see uh, Excel show you like 27.75. You can see here like 32, 34. Okay, so the height has been increased. Okay, if you want to increase height by menu, if you know if you know the exact heights what you want to give to the rows, so you can do this by manually. Just click on the row and click right side of your mouse and click on the row heights, and here you can give the exact heights. I given 30. Okay, so I just do undo for our next steps. Now if you want to all rows with the same heights, or if you want to make adjust the row heights, row multiple heights, you can do this. Just click on first row and select by scroll down by holding the left key of mouse, and now we have to click right and click on row heights, and you can give the heights like 30. So you can see all same heights will be applied for all rows. Okay, so sometime what happen, you have data and the data is like this. Okay, so it is not visible here. Okay, so you can simply click on bottom line and double click on bottom line. So here you can do this. Oh, yeah. Okay, so if I wrap it, okay, if I wrap it in my ones, if I wrap it, I have to first wrap it. Okay, here I am going to review data, text. Okay, if I go to the home and I wrap it, so you can see the data has been wrapped and the Excel rows height has been adjusted. But sometimes what happen, it is adjusted by default because I have settings. But sometimes what happen is look like this. Okay, it's wrapped in 2 3 line, and it doesn't appear full data in one cell. So simply you have to click this bottom line of this arrow and click here double. You have to double click here, and you can see by default it's gets the proper heights. So you can do multiple with the multiple arrows also. Just select multiple rows and double click on bottom line of this arrow, and you can adjust the all you can increase the heights of you can increase the same height for all rows in Excel. So this is a common solution for the how to increase or decrease heights of rows in Excel. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.